Rasheen, hello. Come watch SpongeBob with me now, Rasheen. Take off it now.
You watch that?
Come watch it, man. Come watch it now, man. Rasheen, come with me now, man. Come. See me over here, sir. Come, over here, sir. Come, take it off. Take off the blindfold. Take it off now. You can't see me. Take it off. We say take it off, boy. Take it off.
Yo, Rasheen, give me your shoes on the man, yo.
Bad mind.
Yo, you call bad
man.
man. Yo, me responsible that. Anyways, give me the shoes on the bar in the man, yo.
Oh, I can't see no.
Yo,
let go for me now.
yo,
me
let
see
go
for me now, you bad man.
Yo,
no, you're
so give me the shoes, them.
Yo, no, you're no.
I'm things about 28, 19. Eh, I take one name. Eh? Yo,
come on.
Rasheen, come let's have some sex together.
Yo, man,
Come
put them
on,
something.
take out the blindfold. Take it off now. Watch him.
Nah, take it off.
yo, so take it off.
See,
Yo,
I'm blind.
look palm in the man, yo. Look palm in God, yo. Come and beautiful.
Nah, take
yo,
it off, see,
take it off, me say.
What?
Yo, come on, pour him the man, yo.
Better, bad man.
You mean what, you know, last time you had him pour him last night.
Yo,
Eh?
I let go for me now, man.
Yo, come in, man.
Yo.
Yo, sure, take it off, man. Ball coming up.
Ball come?
Yeah, take it off. Come now, take it off, so. Take out the blindfold, boy.
Ball come?
Come, take it off. Look, no, look. See it now, see it. The ball come, look. Look, free guy, yo. Yeah, man, we don't take it off. Dead man. Boom.
People just want to say Happy New Year when you come. Love everyone, one love. You see me? Don't know say success is a must, you see me? So people don't know say more so much bump on this man. Anyways, people, I don't know say King Rasheen, you see me? Just want to say Happy New Year to everyone, you see me? Can't subscribe to my channel and thing, you see me? Big up everyone.